is Mia, and we're gonna be installing a wig today. So if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And we're gonna get started. I will be reinstalling. This wig is from Djfg, and this is a 30-inch bust down. And we're gonna get straight into the video.
Saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
Posting consistent on YouTube, so make sure y'all subscribing for real, like and comment, all that good stuff. We're doing another installing wig video in the next week or so because I have a couple wigs coming in. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. But anyways, make sure y'all subscribe and turn my post notifications on so y'all can get a notification when I post. But anyways, I hope y'all have a nice day. Okay, bye. Someone didn't say bye to you. I said bye. Bye. Thank y'all for staying tuned for my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff.